Hello, welcome to the iPhone channel. Do you get your latest iPhone SE 3? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off force restart, enter recovery mode, enter DFU mode on the new iPhone SE 3. So, before we get started, let's have a look at the three buttons that will be used. On the right side of the iPhone, you have the side button, and on the left side, we can see the two volume buttons, volume up and volume down. There is also a home button at the bottom of the screen. So let's get started. Part 1. Turn off iPhone SE 3. To turn it off, just long press the side button till you see the power off screen. Then slide to power off. To turn it on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. As you can see, it's pretty easy. Part 2. Force restart iPhone SE 3. So, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you will see the Apple logo appear. Just like this. Well done. We are on the home screen. Part 3. Enter recovery mode on iPhone SE 3. Now, let's go to enter recovery mode. Connect your iPhone SE 3 with your computer. Then press and quickly release volume up. Press and quickly release the volume down. And then press and hold the side button until the connect to computer icon appears. If you want to exit the recovery mode, unplug the data cable and long press the side button. Then you will come back to home screen. If you fail to exit recovery mode, here is a better option for you to use iPhone iOS system repair. All you need to do is just click exit recovery mode. Part 4. Enter DFU mode on iPhone SE 3. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. You need to press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then press and hold the side button for 10 seconds. Now press and hold the volume down button, and continuing to hold the side button for 5 seconds, and continue to hold the volume down button for about 10 seconds. If your screen is staying black, you have successfully entered DFU mode. To exit DFU mode, quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, then hold down the side button until the device reboots. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.